the ultimate guide for beginners to best AI writing tools for creating high-quality content for your online business in 2024. Step 1. Understand the benefits of AI writing tools. AI writing tools can help you. 1. Save time. Write content faster and more efficiently. 2. Improve consistency. Ensure consistent tone, style, and quality across your content. 3. Enhance creativity. Generate unique and engaging ideas. 4. Scale content creation. Produce high-quality content at a faster pace. Step 2. Identify your content needs. 1. Determine your content type. Blog posts, product descriptions, social media posts, or email newsletters. 2. Identify your target audience. Who are you creating content for? 3. Set your content goals. What do you want to achieve with your content? Step 3. Choose the right AI writing tool. Here are some top-rated AI writing tools for online businesses. 1. Content Blossom, AI-powered content creation tool for blog posts, social media, and more. 2. WordLift, AI-driven content creation tool for WordPress websites. 3. Snoring Cat, AI writing tool for blog posts, product descriptions, and more. 4. Language Tool, AI-powered grammar and spell checker. 5. Content Forge, AI writing tool for creating high-quality content quickly. 6. AI Writer, AI-powered content creation tool for various formats, e.g. blog posts, social media. Hemingway Editor, AI-powered writing tool for simplifying complex sentences. 8. Article Forge, AI writing tool for creating high-quality articles. Step 4. Learn how to use your chosen AI writing tool. 1. Watch tutorials and guides. Familiarize yourself with the tool's features and interface. 2. Experiment with different settings. Adjust parameters to suit your content needs. 3. Read user reviews and forums. Get tips and insights from other users. Step 5. Use your AI writing tool effectively. 1. Provide high-quality input data. Feed your tool with relevant information to generate better output. 2. Review and edit output. Ensure the generated content meets your standards. 3. Use the tool as a starting point. Refine and expand upon the generated content to create a unique piece. Step 6. Integrate your AI writing tool with your online business. 1. Integrate with your CMS or website. Connect your AI writing tool with your website or CMS to streamline content creation. 2. Use APIs or plugins. Integrate your tool with other tools and platforms to automate processes. Step 7. Monitor and improve your content. 1. Track engagement metrics. Monitor how your content performs on social media or in email newsletters. 2. Analyze user feedback. Collect feedback from users to refine your content strategy. 3. Refine your AI writing tool settings. Adjust settings based on performance data to improve output quality.